you, sir?
I'm very good, thank you. Hmm. Okay, so let's start. So first of all, actually, your topic, your mother's routine. Actually, you have to speak. Hmm. Okay.
One second, sir.
Hmm. Speak.
One second. One. Yeah. My mummy wakes up early in the morning at 6 a.m.
Just a moment. Hmm. What that sound is? Do you have any sound?
Yeah, little noise is there.
When you click something, the sound starts coming. Again,
Hello.
yes.
Noise comes there.
Now, no noise. What do you touch? Now, no noise.
No, it's fine.
Yes, there is no noise now. But when you touch something here or because I had a previous batch before you, there was no noise. Hmm?
Uh, but on my system where noise comes there.
No, the sound comes from my speaker. But when you do something on your keyboard or somewhere, I don't know that. Yes, it has started coming.
But I did not do anything.
No, you touched the keys. You touched something there.
Earphone is plugged in.
Yes, that is not proper plugged in. Yes, this is the reason. That's why it is creating sound. Hmm?
Actually,
Yes, this is the problem.
now it's working fine. Eh? Now the sound is fine.
Yes, it's okay. Yes, absolutely fine.
May I actually, I thought that my voice is not clear to you, so I use the earphone.
This is fine. Because actually I had that previous class, there was no noise like that. Okay, no problem. Because this is computer, this is machine.
Yeah.
When it is displeased with us, we cannot imagine.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I was telling about my mother's daily routine. My mommy wakes up in the early in the morning at the 6 a.m. She does a natural call. After that, my parents goes to take a morning walk.
Your mother and father, they are plural. You should say my parents go to, or my parents go for a morning walk. Goes nahi, go for. Go for a morning walk at 6:30. Then my mother, she washes. She washes. She washes the temple floor which is before our house. And she does some exercise and yoga. Okay. She helps my wife and me to prepare morning breakfast. Okay. She takes breakfast and reads newspaper. Okay. She goes to office at 9:45. Okay. She works in government department. Vikas Bhavan. Okay, that's fine. So your mother is a government servant. Yes, I like it. And whenever any, our mother, sisters, wives, if they are in job, I like it. Because women, they are also going forward.
Yes.
And they also have right to earn, to support their family, and to be a respected person in the family. Sorry. So I always like it.
My maternal grandmother also was in the teaching field. She was headmaster in the government girls' school.
She was headmistress. Yes. Very good. And my maternal grandfather, Nanaji, he was headmaster in the school.
My maternal grandfather also was in the teaching field, but he left the job and began to tuition in his home.
You are keeping your mic away from you.
It's in the laptop actually.
Okay, so keep close. Keep your laptop close to you. Of course, I can listen, but sound sometimes.
Yeah, that's why I was using the earphone.
You just try to use it, but insert that pin into that hole properly. If it is loose little bit, then it creates sound.
Is there any? It's okay.
Fine.
Yeah.
Okay, after that she does have her lunch. Very good.
You are expectorating.
Yes, I am expectorating, and because actually just don't know what I have had. Ah,
How the weather is there?
very. It's raining.
Okay, it's raining heavily here is also. It's raining
Yes,
also.
it was the too much raining of this season here today.
In Indore also, in this season, the maximum rain is out there.
You see, there was no rain in June. There was no rain in
Hmm.
June, July, August.
Hmm.
But in September, it has been raining every day, every day, every day. And here, one of the biggest dam is there, Tigra Dam,
Okay.
and then that dam was empty
Uh-huh.
before September. And
Okay.
being the municipal corporation officers, they were planning to
Uh-huh.
supply water
Uh-huh.
alternatively.
Uh-huh. Okay.
Again, the sound is coming. It's okay.
Uh-huh.
As the September progressed,
Hmm.
the Tigra is full now. The gates are open.
Hmm.
Today it was very heavy rain, and it was a problem in the
Hmm.
whole city. Means the water entered in the
Hmm.
house.
Okay.
Very worst condition. Really, the people were in problem, and
Hmm.
JBG machines and all from municipal corporation, they were working in the city. It was a big problem. I also had a problem.
Hmm.
That was my personal problem. My sewer, the
Hmm.
outside of my house, that was choked.
Okay.
So I just went out in the noon to find the
Hmm.
sweeper.
Hmm.
And they came, they cleaned, and they demanded 800 rupees for it.
Hmm.
But I gave them 500.
Hmm.
Okay. It has been raining.
It has been raining here also.
And I think that weather, this is weather forecast, and it is going, we are going to have the same weather for the next week, complete week.
Hmm.
We may have means too much of rain in
Hmm.
coming days.
Hmm.
Okay, so next is she leaves office at 5. Okay, she comes at 5. Okay, she takes a cup of tea. Okay, she plays. You should say
Yes, yeah. Yes.
she plays with my younger daughter and does some exercise on cycle.
Hmm.
Ask my elder daughter to. We never used to with us. Ask elder daughter about her class room activity.
Ask or asks?
Asked,
ASKS.
yes,
Okay.
but don't use to. Asks elder daughter about her classroom activities and daily schoolwork. She eats some fruits in the evening, sometimes dinner too. At night, she goes to watch TV. Goes to
Yeah.
watch TV news, NEWS news, and shows at night. She goes to bed. Okay, so this is your topic. Okay, right. And now it's okay. Now I would like you. I think I told you that. Did I tell you that you have to make 20 questions every day?
No, no, not every day.
No, no. Did I tell you that you have to make 20 questions?
Yeah, you told me actually, and I have written only 5 questions on that day.
No, you have to write 20 questions every day.
Okay.
And try to use I gave you some interrogative words. Interrogative words. You know what?
Interrogative, uh, interrogative word.
What means
क्या?
kya? But it has one more meaning.
कैसे?
This is not interrogative meaning. What means kya and jo. Jo.
Whatever, whatever.
नहीं वो अलग होता whatever. Whatever मतलब जो भी. वो जो भी हो जाता whatever. जो भी. Whenever कभी भी. कुछ भी whichever. वो अलग है. तो what means क्या जो. When. तो कब जब. Why? क्यों और किस कारण से. Where. कहाँ जहाँ. How many. कितना कितनी कितने. For countable nouns. How much. कितना कितनी कितने. For uncountable nouns. How कैसा कैसी कैसे. या इस तरह से. Whom. Whom किसे किससे किसके किसको जो. Whose. किसका किसकी. या जो जिसका. How long कितने देर से कितने समय से कब से. Who on.
Whom?
Who.
Oh, okay.
Which कौन सा कौन सी किस. Now you make a question or you make many questions using these interrogative words. Okay. First one is what? Make a question using what?
What what's going on?
Okay. Next. What? Again what? What's going on? क्या चल रहा है? Nothing is going on.
What to say?
What to
What?
say? It's not a question. But you can use it in a conversation, no problem. But use do, does, did, has, have, was, or like will.
What has happened in the office? I don't know today.
What happened? Yes, okay. What happened today in the office? I don't know. Okay.
What is being prepared in the food in dinner?
What is being? What food is being? What is being? Okay. What food is being prepared today for the lunch? What food is being prepared for the lunch today? Next. Use do, does, did.
What did Pradhan Mantri Modi says yesterday in the Howdy Modi program?
Say, not says.
Okay. What did Modi say in the yesterday program in Howdy Modi?
Okay. Make more.
What will be the next? What will be the next program for tomorrow?
Okay.
What do you want to work in the future?
Okay.
What has happened in the future? I don't know.
What?
What has happened in the future? What has been happened in the future? I cannot guess.
What will happen?
What?
What will happen in future? I don't know.
Okay. What will happen? Yeah. What has to say about his nonsense? बात को क्या कहेंगे सर? What nonsense talk?
Yes.
What has to say about the nonsense about his nonsense talk?
What?
What has to say about his nonsense talk?
What has to say? Means.
अब उसके बारे में क्या कहें जो उसकी बेवकूफी वाली बात है?
हाँ, तो उसके बारे में क्या कहें? ठीक है.
What to say? अच्छा, ये यहाँ what to say आ जाएगा.
और what to say की जगह अगर आप ये यूज करें, what should I say?
What should I say? Okay.
What should I say about that nonsense?
अच्छा, इसकी जगह can I use what has to say? क्या कहना है?
वो मैं बताता हूँ. Yes, I tell you. Insert the plug again.
Okay. Yes.
क्या? What did you ask? हाँ, कि क्या?
What has to say? Can I use it?
देखो, what has to say हम क्यों नहीं कह सकते? I tell you. What has to say? What is not a subject? Subject should be there. Has to verb. Okay. I have to say. You have to say. They have to say. But what has to say is not correct. Then what you should say? What has to be said?
What has to be said? Okay.
What has to be said? थोड़ा समझिए आप। दिस इज इन पैसिव। क्या कहना चाहिए, क्योंकि कह कोई नहीं रहा, किसी के द्वारा कहा जाएगा। What has to be said or what is to be said, same thing. Because you know one thing, as you use has to, have to, you use in a sentence has to, have to. जैसे मुझे कुछ करना है, आपको कुछ करना है, we always use has to. I have to do that. I have to teach my students every day. You have to work hard to learn English. The has to is to, same thing. Have to, same thing.
Okay.
But you know, has to, have to, they're not polite. But am, are to, am to, is to, they are polite. Suppose I am your teacher and I am talking to you and I am discussing with you about your homework I gave you, and I say you have to complete your homework every day. You have to. But if you want to invite me to attend your birthday, then you have to be little polite there with me. You cannot say, sir, you have to attend my birthday. No, it's wrong. You will say, you are to attend my birthday, sir. आपको बर्थडे मेरी अटेंड करना है सर, और ये करना है आपको मेरी बर्थडे अटेंड, समझ गए आप? So you see the difference. The same thing is in English. You have to means it is strict. But when you want to be polite, you should say you are to. You are to attend my birthday, sir. You are to attend my birthday, sir. I am expecting you to attend my birthday. अब ये if it is in passive, passive में चला गया, तो फिर has to be, have to be third form, या is to be third form. Like मैंने कहा इस कुर्सी को रिपेयर किया जाना है। अब मैं कहूँ चेयर हैज टू रिपेयर, नो इट्स रॉन्ग। चेयर अपने आप, चेयर हैज टू रिपेयर, चेयर किसी को रिपेयर नहीं करेगी। आई हैव टू रिपेयर कहूँ तो चलेगा, आई हैव टू रिपेयर दिस चेयर, बट दिस चेयर हैज टू बी रिपेयर्ड। अंडरस्टैंड? So this chair has to be repaired. I have to repair this chair and this chair has to be repaired today. This chair has to be repaired by the evening today. But this chair is to be repaired. Is to be, has to be, same meaning. You have to be informed.
You have to be informed means you, आपको inform कर दिया गया था,
कर दिया किया जाना है। You are to be, all the guests are to be invited. Try to understand. सभी मेहमानों को बुलाया जाना है. All the guests are to be invited. Have to be invited. आप समझो. अब गेस्ट है. अब आप ये नहीं सोचो कि गेस्ट तो साफ सब्जेक्ट है. नो, गेस्ट यहाँ पे ऑब्जेक्ट है. हाँ, यस, क्या पूछ रहे हैं आप?
Sir, has and have is used for the as a verb. It is used for that work which is already completed, na?
That has plus third form. This is perfect.
Okay,
but
okay.
This is not perfect tense. This is has
Yeah.
to, have to.
Yeah.
जहाँ पे हम कहते हैं करना है, मुझे जाना पड़ता है.
Okay. Yeah.
मुझे सुबह उठना पड़ता है.
Yeah, I understand. Yeah.
Similarly, in past we use had to. Past में हम बोलते हैं had to, करना था, करना पड़ता था, करना पड़ा. और this is also was to और were to, ये भी होता है. Was to, were to. Like, I had to attend your birthday yesterday, but I couldn't. मुझे करना थी पर कर नहीं पाया. I had to attend your birthday yesterday, but I couldn't.
Sir, actually, you have given me a homework on Friday. That in the on Friday, whatever the our session was, I have to write on that.
Yes.
I have written that something, and I actually used has, had is there. So
we'll discuss. We'll discuss that, but just let me complete this first. Okay?
Yes.
Because this is also very important.
Yes.
So let me complete this. So you can use was to, were to, right? But it can be used in passive.
Okay. Yeah.
Like I had to be given. I had to be given gifts on my birthday. अब मैं एक सब्जेक्ट नहीं हूँ यहाँ पे. आपको लग सकता है कि आई है तो यार सब्जेक्ट होगा. सब्जेक्ट मैं काम, मैं थोड़ी कुछ काम कर रहा हूँ. मेरे पे किया जा रहा है काम. आई हैड टू बी गिवन सम गिफ्ट्स ऑन माय birthday.
I had to be given some gifts on my birthday.
Or I was to be given.
Here, subject is what is the subject here?
Subject कोई नहीं है यहाँ पे.
When the subject is missing, then we can use the passive voice.
Yes. But how can you find out that whether the subject is there or not? How will you find? Simple rule. Find out the verb. Verb is there. क्या है verb? Give. देना. उसके पहले प्रश्न करो कौन. पता नहीं. दे कौन रहा है पता ही नहीं है. सब्जेक्ट है नहीं.
मतलब यहाँ पे जो गिफ्ट दे रहा है वो कई लोग दे रहे हैं, इसलिए हमें नहीं पता है.
हाँ तो कहाँ है? कौन दे रहा है? राम दे रहा है, श्याम दे रहा है, कल्लू दे रहा है, चुन्नू दे रहा है, मुन्नू दे रहा है. कौन दे रहा है पता ही नहीं है. कोई नहीं है ना. कहीं कह ही नहीं रहे कि कोई दे रहा है. तो मिसिंग है, वर्ब के पहले प्रश्न करो कौन, उसका उत्तर मिल गया तो भी पैसिव हो सकता है और नहीं भी हो सकता है।
If I want to say that I had to be given this particular gift by Falana on his birthday.
Yes, you can say, no problem. Why? क्योंकि देखो, why we make passive? Why we make passive? Because we have to make passive sentences sometimes. Why? Why do we have to make? Because if suppose I am talking about me, then I am important. I am talking about my birthday. I celebrated my birthday yesterday. तो मैं अपने बारे में ही तो बोल रहा हूं, तो मैं ही तो चलूंगा पहले, तो मैं तो उसमें पैसिव तो बनेगा ही बनेगा। अब मैं सोचू नहीं, आई विल मेक ऑल द सेंटेंसेस एक्टिव, तो फिर आप चले जाओगे बाहर। कैसे चले जाओगे? आई टेल यू, आई सेलिब्रेटेड माई बर्थडे यस्टरडे। ठीक, इट वॉज अ ग्रैंड सेलिब्रेशन। ठीक, आई वॉज गिफ्टेड, I was gifted many gifts। तो I was gifted ही कहूंगा ना मैं। अब मैं ये तो कहूंगा नहीं I celebrated my birthday, it was a grand birthday and people gifted me a lot of things। कह सकते हो कहने को आप, nobody can prevent you from saying like this। But in my opinion, it's not good because you are important. People are not important there because you are telling about you। आप अपने बारे में बोल रहे हो। I was gifted, I was blessed, I was blessed by my parents, I was blessed by my grandparents। मुझे आशीर्वाद दिया गया। अब ये बोलूं मैं, मेरे ग्रैंड या माय ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स ब्लेस्ड मी, ओके नो प्रॉब्लम। माय रिलेटिव्स गिफ्टेड मी, नो प्रॉब्लम। तो मजा नहीं आ रहा ना, कहीं मिसिंग है, मजा इज मिसिंग हियर।
If I have to say that I am being blessed by my grandfather, my maternal grandfather, so it is showing that you are important there.
Because I am telling you about me, not about my grandparents।
Yeah. Say. Yeah, fine.
यही तो चीज है समझने की। How you can make your language impressive? That is important, right? You can make, मैं इस पे बहुत फोकस करूंगा अभी, पैसिव पे, मॉडल्स पे लेटर in our regular classes because these are very important topics and once if you are means if you are able to use these things freely you will have command in speaking as well as on writing। तो अच्छा कमांड होगा। चलिए अब ये तो हो गया, लेट्स मूव टुवर्ड्स। तो ऐसे ही विल यूज कर सकते हो, आई विल हैव टू डू दैट, मुझे करना पड़ेगा। आई विल हैव टू अर्न मनी फॉर माई फैमिली, मुझे अपना अब कुछ कमाना पड़ेगा अपनी फैमिली के लिए। लाइक दिस। ओके, नाउ योर टॉपिक।
Sir, I think yesterday was your the birthday is there? Yesterday is your was your birthday? Oh, I am sorry, I forgot. Belated happy birthday, sir.
Thank you very much, but you should not feel sorry for it because you didn't know that. I told you
Hey,
that.
actually, you told me.
I told you that few days back, and I think in our first lesson.
Yeah.
So of course, it was natural that you forgot because.
Hey, actually, just I remember what we when we are talking about the birthday celebration. Then I just remembered that day.
Yes. Okay, you speak your topic.
Hmm. And I'm at, talking there.
Okay. Okay, what is the topic? Okay.
Uh, now can I speak?
Yes, speak and I will correct.
Okay.
So you just pay attention to it, and you may note it down in your notebook.
Hmm.
So that will improve your writing as well as your speaking.
On the 20th September class, I learned a
Just
lot.
now, on 20th of September.
Okay.
Whenever you speak like this, on 20th of September. Yeah, on September 20. On September 20 or on 20th of September in my class. On 20th of September in my class, comma, I learned. आराम से सोचोगे ना, you'll be able to understand मैंने क्या गलती की. On 20th of September, कहाँ? In my class. फिर क्या? कॉमा. एक चीज खत्म हो गई. 20 तारीख को मेरी क्लास में क्या मैंने सीखा. I learned a lot from Subodh sir. Full stop. ठीक. Next, capital.
हाँ वो कैपिटल मैंने लगाया
नहीं लगाइए.
Okay.
Sum of. अब चलिए. Next.
Some of his thought is as follows, which I got to learn from him.
Is as follows. Okay, मतलब आप नीचे लिखने जा रहे हो.
मतलब और डिटेलिंग में मैंने उसको नीचे बताया.
ठीक है, तो some of his thoughts. तो अब thoughts उसको आप नाउन की तरह ले रहे हो. Some of his thoughts are the thought, not some of कह रहा ना. His thought कहते तो is चलता. Some of his thoughts are as follows, which I learned from him. और वैसे तो आपने ऊपर लिख ही दिया I learned, तो जरूरत नहीं है अब दोबारा लिखने की. You can say some of his thoughts are as follows. बस that's all. छोटा कम लिखो. ठीक है, जरूरत नहीं which I got to learn. No need. Next.
Speak to all of your families होगा, families and enemies too.
नहीं फैमिली होगा, families नहीं होगा.
ओके ओके. हाँ
क्योंकि एक आदमी की फैमिली एक ही होती है.
हाँ फैमिली. यस.
फैमिली एंड एनिमीज टू. ठीक है, चलो. ओके. नेक्स्ट.
Also not only speak true but also stand and support with the person who is with the truth.
अब देखो यहाँ पे आपको लिखना चाह रहे हैं आप कि नॉट ओनली स्पीक ट्रू बट ऑल्सो. अच्छा, मतलब आप सच ही नहीं बोलो बल्कि उसके साथ खड़े रहो, उसका सपोर्ट करो.
हाँ.
तो अब आपको लिखना है कि अब देखो, जब आप कोई भी सेंटेंस कोई नेगेटिव वर्ड से शुरू करते हो, नॉट से, नाइदर से, या सेल्डम से, वो अभी अगर हम पढ़ेंगे आगे तो आएगा वो भी कि कंजक्शन। तो कोई भी नेगेटिव, नॉट ओनली से आपने शुरू किया, नॉट से शुरू किया, लाइक नॉट मैनी, अब कुछ स्पीकिंग में बोल देते हैं आप। जैसे आपने मेरे से पूछा हाउ मेनी पीपल डू यू नो हियर इन द सिटी, मगर नॉट मैनी, आपने बोल दिया। Something is copying.
नहीं sir.
Just a minute. Some work is going on my computer, so it is asking permission.
Okay.
Without my permission, it doesn't work. It is my pet.
Yes.
I'll do it later. No problem. तो अब जैसे आपने इसमें कहना है क्या, तो हाँ मैं ये कह रहा था, जब आप नॉट से शुरू करते हैं तो सेंटेंस को इंटेरोगेटिव बनाना पड़ता है। वो कैसे बनाना पड़ता है? जैसे अब आपने इसमें लिखा नॉट ओनली, तो अब आपको कहना है, अब अपने आप के बारे में बोल रहे हैं, नॉट ओनली डू आई स्पीक ट्रुथ, तो अब डू आई करना ही पड़ेगा आपको, इंटेरोगेटिव नहीं है। बट when you use or when you make a sentence with negative word, जैसे nothing से बनाओगे आप तो भी बनेगा, तो इंटेरोगेटिव ही बनेगा। तो आपने क्या कहना, not only do I speak truth with the people, but I stand with them and I support them. या आपको अच्छा आप थर्ड पर्सन की तरह यूज करना चाह रहे हैं? ठीक है, उन्होंने कहा कि सच बोलो,
not only for me,
not only ओके, तो आप इसको ऐसे करो, not only truth, not only is the truth spoken with the people, but they are to be supported, and but they are to be supported.
So not only speak the truth,
not only is
the truth, not only
is the truth spoken,
okay, truth spoken, but it is to be supported.
But the अब आपको सब्जेक्ट इसमें लेना ही पड़ेगा, but the people are to be supported for that.
हाँ, ठीक है, people are to be supported. Supported who is telling, who is on the path of truth.
हाँ, कह सकते हैं,
on the path of truth. Okay. If you have habit of it, then you feel it comes from your mind to mouth automatically.
If you have habit of it, ठीक है, then you feel it comes from your mind to mouth. ठीक है, mind from your heart कह सकते हो, heart to,
हाँ,
heart to mouth, heart to truth, heart to throat, कुछ भी कह सकते हैं, ठीक है। There would be no hesitation to speak truth, and there would be no need to think in any situation. ठीक है। He told me that life teaches. और अच्छा,
उनको सिखाया।
ठीक है, ओके। He told me that अब जब आपने टोल्ड पहले पास्ट है तो वो पास्ट का जो है ना पास्ट वाला वो पास्ट परफेक्ट में चला जाएगा। ये भी रूल है, अपन पढ़ेंगे आगे।
हाँ यहाँ कमजोर हूँ मैं।
कोई बात नहीं। तो ही टोल्ड मी, तो ये मैं भी बताऊंगा आपको नेक्स्ट क्लासेस में। ही टोल्ड मी दैट द लाइफ हैड टॉट हिम,
लाइफ हैड
टॉट हिम,
life had taught him in his each and every steps.
हाँ
Okay.
ठीक है। And if you follow that,
Follows that teachings.
no, if you
teachings.
follow, follows नहीं, if you follow
That teachings, you will be feeling more strength in your life.
more strength की बजाय you will be feeling stronger,
हाँ, you will be
you will be
feeling.
feeling stronger, strong, stronger, strongest।
तो यहाँ मोर लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है। There is
नहीं,
no
नहीं, नहीं,
to-
नहीं, क्योंकि
Okay.
स्ट्रोंगर होता है तो मोर की जरूरत नहीं है। तो स्ट्रोंगर ये भी एडजेक्टिव है, ये भी पढ़ेंगे हम डिग्रीज आगे।
So, and if you follow that teachings, you will be feeling stronger in your life. And this comes gradually while you grown up, but you have to follow that learning. ये धीरे धीरे आता है जैसे जैसे आप बड़े होते हो, लेकिन आपको ये चीजें जो है वो करती रहनी पड़ेंगी।
यू हैव टू ग्रो अप, और व्हाइल यू ग्रो अप,
while you grow up. Okay, ठीक है, बाकी सही है ना सर?
हाँ ठीक है।
Also, he had given me an example of his sister's mother-in-law's issue, how he was able to stop her rude talking about his visit to sister's home in a graciously instead of doing long debating or discussing. बढ़ाने के मतलब मैंने यहाँ long लिखा है उसकी जगह।
he had given example of it, ठीक है। how he was, अब इस पे देखो, अब जो कि आप पास्ट में चल रहे हो, how he was able तो पास्ट में, लेकिन पास्ट का भी पास्ट है ये, पास्ट का भी पास्ट, तो how he had been able, तो ये थोड़ा ग्रामेटिकली है, अपन बाद में जाएंगे, इस पे ज्यादा भी डिस्कस नहीं करेंगे, वैसे भी क्लास ओवर हो चुकी है, तो जल्दी से फिनिश कर लेते हैं भाई, क्योंकि मेरी दूसरी क्लास है। पर ये टॉपिक फिनिश करते हैं अपन जल्दी।
नहीं, इसमें अभी बहुत है नीचे सर, एक काम करते हैं, if you have class then we will stop now and we will discuss on tomorrow on after day tomorrow.
Let me complete this paragraph.
Yes.
ये कंप्लीट कर, तो he, हाँ कहाँ था? हाँ,
how he was able to stop her rude talking.
हाँ,
rude यहाँ पे वर्ड सही है क्या?
just how he had been able to stop her, not stop, how he was able to finish.
हाँ,
how he was able to finish, मैं stop तो किया नहीं, मैंने finish कर दिया।
हाँ, finish ही कर दिया।
how he had been able to finish that topic or that discussion.
That topic
or that discussion, जो भी आप कहना चाहें।
हाँ,
about talking about his visit to Susanna instead of doing long debating or discussing, ठीक है। stop even to finish that rude talking, ऐसे कर सकते हैं। about his visit, ठीक है, that's all. The next paragraph we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 paragraphs left. Okay, we'll do that. अच्छा, it's good if you write like this. You'll be able to improve your English speaking and writing both.
And writing तो बन जाती है, but there is some problem while I speak.
Don't worry, you'll be speaking very good English. Don't worry, I know that. Okay, so make 20 questions using these interrogative words.
Okay.
I have told you, and make sentences on has to, have to, had to, will have to. Okay. Make sentences on that and make 20 questions using these interrogative words.
Okay.